All right, we're here on page 198 next. Number 3 says to order 2 1/7, 1 5/7, and 3 2/7 on the number line. So first, let's put 2 1/7 here. So I'm going to write 2 1/7 right there. And the next one is 1 5/7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's put that one there. 1 5/7. All right. That's good enough. All right, let's say the next one is 3 2/7. So here we go. I'll say 3 2/7. All right, that works. Okay, so next one, it says to order 1 1/5, 1 4/5, and 1 3/10 on the number line. It might help to start by saying that this is 1 2/10, and then this will be 1 8/10. So we'll just make those equivalent fractions there, all with the same denominator. And it should be easier to plot them then. This one, I should say, this is 2/10, right? So this would be 1 1/5, or you could say it's 1 2/10, whatever you want to write there is fine. Okay, so next should be 1 3/10 right here. 1 3/10. Sorry, it's a little bit messy there. Let me fix that real quick. We should say 1 3/10. If I can write it okay. All right, there we go. That's better. All right, and then the last one is 1 8/10. So let's write that here. We should say 1 8/10. There we go. All right, so we could also say 1 4/5 there. Either one is fine. All right. Next, it says to order 2 1/2, 2 3/4, and 2 1/4 on the number line. I'm going to say this is 2 2/4, just so I'm clear. I know that it's going to go right in the middle here, so I know this is 2 1/2, or you could say 2 2/4. This would be 2 1/4 over here, and this should be 2 3/4 right there. Okay, so hopefully you got all of those. And moving on to number 6, it says to order 2 1/5, 1 9/10, and 2 1/2 on the number line. Just to keep things straight, I'm going to say this is 2 2/10. That's going to be the same. This should be 2 5/10. Okay, so first I'll just plot, I guess I'll do 2 2/10 here, 2 1/5. So this would be either one, 2 1/5, or you could write 2 2/10. All right, the next one will be 5/10, 2 5/10. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be right there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So that should be 2 1/2. We'll say is right there. All right. That doesn't work. What's wrong here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is very strange. The number line is divided to me into ninths. I don't see 10 spaces here. That's 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10. So I got that right. This would be 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, 9/10. I believe they have a mistake here, so we'll let them slide unless I'm not seeing something right. The last one is 1 9/10. I suppose it's here. 1 9/10. Let's see here what they did on the left there. If they got, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. I think they divided these up into ninths, and they should be divided up into tenths. I think it's all right. Let's just leave it like here, but I believe